How to get your product listed on eBay within 2 minutes? Well, I'll show you the quickest and the easiest way to list anything, and I mean anything and everything on eBay. I'm your host Naushad from Ecomclips. So without any delay, let's jump straight into the process. Well, I wanna sell this laptop. Now I'll list it on eBay. Alright, let's do it together. Timer is on. We are going to see how fast we can list this laptop on eBay. First, we need to log into eBay backend. From our Seller Hub dashboard, we are going to listings, then create listings. Now on this box, let's give the title of what we are gonna sell. Now let me pause the timer for a sec. Before starting to list your product, prepare an Excel sheet with all the necessary information like titles, description, and the specification. It will be a lot easier to do the initial task. How to prepare a SEO-friendly title and description effectively? Well, we can discuss it in a later video. Now let's continue the process. Give the title here, then search, continue without match, then new, continue listing. Our title is already on the listing page. Next job is uploading images. Now keep it in mind, images are really important. If you are reselling laptop like me, you can easily find them in the internet or from the manufacturer's catalog. If the item is unique, take some photos by yourself. But don't spend too much time on photoshopping. Try using handy tools like Canva to edit them. Now let's get back to our listing process. You can give a subtitle if you want. eBay automatically took the item category. Now it's time to give the product specifications. Now item specs are really important. This is like giving my laptop a resume for a job interview. It will prevent questions like, does my laptop do this or that, something like all. Customers will simply look at the specs and get all the answers. Now let's get back. We have those specs on a separate notepad. Let's simply take the data from there and put it inside our listing. Some of the specs are automatically suggested by eBay. We'll just cross-check them. We are not bound to give UPC. If it's blank, eBay will automatically create one for us. Let's put the screen size, aspect ratio, color, then model, MPN, unit quantity. And if I drop down this menu, there are more sections for specs. For most of them, I wanna go with the suggested specs. Country is China. Item dimension. Also, we can create some specs by ourselves. Like now I'm creating model, then condition, camera connector. Now another is installation, easy to install. Authenticity is 100% genuine. And material information. Now if you have variation, you can add it here. Condition is used. Let me give a description. Let's put our HTML description. Now you may ask, why are we using HTML for this description? If we write it in a normal text, it will not look that much attractive. But HTML will give the chance to show them look better, like highlight those bullet points. Now give a price, quantity. You can schedule your list for later. There is an option to add volume pricing, like if someone buys 2, then they will get a discount. Select a shipping option. From this section, I can set a promotion, but right now I'm not doing any of it. Then hit list it. That's it. My listing is already visible on eBay. Now let's see the timer. It took only this time to complete the whole listing process. Impressive, right? This way you can list everything on eBay the quickest and the simplest way possible. That's all for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If so, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I know you must have some confusions or questions. If so, don't hesitate to comment us, or you can email us at info@ecomclips.com. We would be really happy to assist you there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.